Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So there's this girl who is just trending on TikTok, and at this point I'm sure she's also on YouTube, and I saw her on Facebook as well. She's trending because she said she washes her underwear in a coffee machine when she is in a Keurig when she is on holiday, because it's quicker and it's more convenient. And she learned this hack from a flight attendant friend of hers, and she's making fun of everybody who's basically appalled by her behavior, who's disgusted by her behavior, because she keeps posting people's videos and laughing. And one would say that it was just a skit or it was satire or whatever, rage baiting, but it's not, because in 2023 she did the same thing, but then the video didn't go as viral. It didn't go viral actually at all. People only started watching it or going back to it now, and she has deleted the video that she recently posted saying this thing, but obviously it was too late because people had screen recorded and downloaded and all those things. It is scary what people do just for fame on the internet. Honestly, it is weird. I don't get it. Watch the video.
I'm about to show you guys one of the coolest tricks ever. Say you're traveling and you didn't pack enough underwear and you're just like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna wear tomorrow? Every room has like a coffee pot thing in it. Every room, even the other coffee makers where it like brews through. All you have to do, put your underwear where you would put the coffee grounds. You close it, you press brew, and it puts scorching hot water through it. You guys, then the hair dryer in the bathroom, you blow dry those bad boys, and you got yourself a cleaner pair of underwear to wear. I did not realize how many people already knew this hack. I learned it years ago from a friend that was a flight attendant, and it's brilliant.
Good morning, honey. Here's your coffee.
Well, thank you, sweetheart. That coffee tastes like crap.
Oh, I don't know why.
Has Tara been here? Ah!
Well, she's trying to do damage control right now with her recent videos and posting a chat with a friend, saying that, do people really believe that you would wash your underwear in a coffee machine? But this is not beyond people from that side, honestly, because they wash their hair in their sinks, in their kitchen sinks, and that's normal.